Holy shit, guys. Look at how fucking stormy it is here in Thunder Bay. Holy fuck. I can't even walk straight. You can barely see down that fucking road there. Holy crap. There's like 3 inches of snow on the ground. There's like 3-5 inches. Yeah, and we can't even walk to freaking a store without, oh, holy shit, without even turning our backs once. Holy crap. Get off the road. This has been the longest winter in Thunder Bay, I'm pretty sure. It's April 19th, I think. Yeah, April 19th, 2013. And look at this. It's still freaking windy. This is horrible. Holy shit.
There's like a fucking sign over there.
I can't even see the stop sign. Holy shit. This is horrible. Oh shit. Okay, well, I gotta go now. Oh shit. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube for a while. Just been busy with life, you know. See you later.